I was born in D.C. I've always been sort of an outdoorsman. I've always liked the woods. One of the things I love about Ward 8 is that we have a lot of green space. But as I explored them, I saw that they were really marred by trash. I was looking for ways to kind of contribute my energy to improve the community. I'm Nathan Harrington, and I'm founder and executive director of Ward 8 Woods Conservancy. People basically throw in the woods like anything that you can think of that someone might own and then not want anymore. We've got some toilets. This is sort of cool. It's an old cassette tape that had a plant growing through it. Somebody must have shot this like out west and then paid to have it taxidermied and mounted, and at some later date they didn't want it anymore, so they chucked it in the woods. These are not by any means all of the toys that I've found. Finders keepers. If it's out there, then you can have it. We produce a lot of trash that is essentially used once, used very briefly, and then thrown away, not taking into account the fact that what is away? Where is it actually going? The planet has finite space and everything within it is connected. So when you're sending stuff away, it still has to go somewhere. You can see where every time there's a big rain, trash gets washed down here and it gets caught. So this is almost like a natural trash trap. In the last 4.5 years, we've removed more than 1 million pounds of trash.
Coming out here, it's a stress reliever. Clear my mind, I can think, I can breathe, nature. That's why we go so hard about keeping it clean, you hear me? Because we be out here. So, it's really important.
My greatest hope is that we can kind of turn the corner on trash and invasive species and maintaining urban forests. The ambition is to get people out in the forests and enjoying them and deriving all the benefits that people get from being physically active and outside.